Are you a small business looking to create your own website, but you're kind of choosing between a template website and a web agency? Here are 10 key questions that you gotta ask yourself before you decide. First question, does your website have to be up and running within a month or less? Okay, if so, I would definitely advise you to go with a template website. Most website builders, such as Now by CyberFolks, can create a website for you within hours or even minutes. Contrast that against a web agency, and you'll have to spend at least a month discussing contract details, what exactly you're trying to build, what this website will look like, how it will function. When you're done, it's going to take at least a month to complete. Second question, do you have an annual website building budget of less than $2,000? Then go with a website builder, because it's going to get a lot cheaper and easier for you. Many website builders will help you to build a website to a cost that's less than $20 a month. Contrast that against a website agency, and you have to pay for all the separate costs yourself. That includes stuff like web developer, web designer, product manager, hosting, SSL certificate, and the list goes on. Yeah, it will be more complex and more costly to go with the agency option. Thirdly, does your website need to look exactly as you envision it? And do you have specific technical needs? Then you're probably better off with a website agency. If you would go with a website builder, you may be able to use some third-party integrations, but they will be more standardized, and you cannot expect the website to look exactly as you envision it. This, my friends, is a deal-breaker question, meaning if you want the website to look exactly like you envision it, don't choose a website builder, because you might be disappointed. Just a small note here though, remember, somebody's got to build your website, and we're not fully certain, even if you pay lots of money, that that website is going to function and look exactly as you like it. In the end, there's always a compromise happening between the product manager or the web agency and your needs. Fourth question, do you intend to run a serious e-commerce company? Then the safest option is to go with a website agency, because they will be able to fully customize the website for you. Now again, I have to say, a lot of website builders today have great e-commerce functionality and integration with some of the biggest names in e-commerce out there, but you'll have to make compromises. It is the safest option to go with a customized solution. Therefore, also, this is a deal breaker question. So if you want to do serious e-commerce, go with a web agency. Number 5, do you want to update and maintain your own website, but you may not consider yourself a tech-savvy person? Then go with a website builder. I mean, that's what they're for. They were built for anyone to be able to update their own website. So what about customized websites by an agency? Well, you may or may not be able to maintain those websites yourself. Depends how complex they are. But expect a lot of themes and a lot of code and plugins to be customized to your needs. After all, that's what you paid for. But it doesn't necessarily come with a guarantee that it's as easy to use. Question number 6. Does your website need to scale and grow alongside your business? Then it's probably a safer option to go with an agency, because they will be able to customize that website to your changing needs. Whereas if you go with a website builder, you might see more standardized templates, and it might be harder to accommodate, say, entering new markets. Number 7, do you need to connect your website to a third-party plugin, integration, or API? Well, then it's always safer to go with the website agency option, because they can definitely accommodate your needs. When it comes to a website builder, they may or may not support those plugins and those integrations. That's something that you got to look up before you make your purchase. Question number 8, does your website need to be available in multiple languages? Well, then again, the website agency option is the safer option, because then you're certain that they will be able to customize your website to your needs. While most website builders today claim to support multiple languages, the support probably will be standardized compared to the website agency option. So depending on how many languages you want to support, you may want to go with agency option. Number 9, do you expect reasonable SEO support out of the box? Well, then you gotta go with the website builder option, because that's what they're for. If you, however, expect advanced technical SEO settings it's safer to go with the website agency option. They'll be able to enable or build any type of functionality that you need. And finally, number 10. Do you expect customer service to be included in the package? Well, if you go with the website builder option, you definitely will have customer service available. What about the website agency option? Well, that depends on you. That's something that you may have to negotiate in the contract with the agency. Remember, taking your website live, it's only the first step. What happens afterwards? To sum up, remember folks, there is no one-size-fits-all solution here. Even if you go with the website agency option, you can't be absolutely certain that the outcome will be as you envision it. And what about customer support 5 years from now? A compromise is needed. Just make sure you're making the right compromise that works for your business. Did you enjoy this video? Then please leave a comment down below, like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.